This is Elizabeth with Dandelion Soap, and we're talking about system recovery. And I will tell you another fact. Did you guys know, and I said guys, know that the rose is actually the man's plant, the man's flower? It's not really that big a deal to a woman. I know it sounds crazy. Just hear me out. Hang with me. Don't get upset. The rose was identified by discoveries, and explorers back in the beginning, before we had America. They had already come across this beautiful, fragrant plant. And like I said, it grows in like the worst soil. But you have this beautiful little flower, and this flower looks almost kind of frail. But they found that by cultivating it and doing more sources for it, they could strengthen it, make it larger and bigger, and smell even more fragrant. And because the man favored the rose, and because it is so beautiful and it smells so good, naturally he would want to give that to his love. He would want to take that back. And so they would gather them and bundle them up. And that's why a lot of times you see dry roses, and they're so beautiful. They reserve their color, and they preserve it because of the vitamin C, all the nutrition that's in it. And they would bring that to their love, and they would present it to her because, they looked upon a flower just like they would their true love, just like the one that they thought of while they were traveling and exploring so far away. And this would be the very thing that they would bring to her. And so over the years and as centuries have passed, women have become accustomed to receiving roses and picking that as one of their favorite flowers, because to a man it depicts how beautiful and how wonderful he thought his love to be, and her smell and things that he yearned for and missed. And these were things that reminded him of her, so he would gather them and keep them near and then present them to his love. So, with that being said, I will also tell you that roses would generally cure eczema. They keep a woman looking young. The vitamin C alone, that is such a high concentration of vitamin C that it protects the body against free radicals. So you can kind of see, and it guards the immune system. Also, vitamin C is what helps you to assimilate other vitamins and nutrients in the system. So by ingesting vitamin C and eating things and drinking things that give lots of vitamin C, your body benefits from it, because that is one thing you cannot OD on. Can you believe that? You can't OD on vitamin C. It rhymes and I love it. But it's true, vitamin C, you'll have younger looking skin, it'll protect you from free radicals. Excellent for varicose veins, guys and gals. Varicose veins, that it will protect it, because vitamin C, whenever the body is contracting, it keeps the blood flowing, and it keeps the blood vessels from having to work so hard by keeping them clean and keeping the immune system boosted up.